Hello, the plants and the trees. Ask that I remind you, they love being touched, they love being caressed, they love to feel your fingers, your fingertips on them. And tell them that you love them when you move them from motherhood to independency, and trust that they will get in there and dig in and make their own roots without you imposing. Children need the space to find themselves, to love themselves. Parents should not impose their beliefs and their ways of lives on their offsprings. You don't own anybody, and if you let go, those who hold on to you will let you go. Live in peace. Love you and love earth. And as the trees, they also need shaking and caressing at the bottom, because in the wild the animals will move them and brush themselves on them and shake them so and bend them to shape, letting the young ones come out to play. So when the adults hold on and clutter too much, the young ones lose their ways and they lose hope and they get lost without love. Parenting, it is not difficult. You just need to tap into yourself and remember you as a child, how you wanted to fly and free yourself. So those lessons that you've learned, remember them and do not impose them on your children. Set them free. They are here for a reason, just like you. I love you. Kissy kissy one, and kissy kissy two, kissy kissy three, forevermore. I love you.